For the break in programming to take this breaking news, we just confirmed the former Minister of Education charged with embezzlement of $50 billion has been granted bail by the Supreme Court. The minister, who has been in and out of the court for 2 years, was elated and thanked his lawyers
do whatever
who
you
worked
want and get away with it.
Possible. In other news, the Nigerian Labour Congress has decided to go on a strike following the non-payment of the promised lecturer's salary for over 7 months.
Dogo.
Ah, Oga Femi.
How are you?
I'm very well. Good.
Are you going out?
No. Since you're here now, I can attend to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I need one more chair. I know I'm still owing you from the last time. Or I should cancel the order and tell the client that we cannot deliver.
No, Oga Femi. I know you're still owing me, but you will pay, so no problem.
When can I get this order? When the client pays, I will pay up everything.
3 weeks I should finish.
3 weeks? No. Dogo, I need it this weekend. You have to start now. Now.
No problem. I will start today.
Good. See, more jobs coming, eh? More jobs. How's your wife?
She's fine. She's at home.
Dogo. I'll see you.
Mrs. Obidike.
Oh my God. I hate poverty.
Mrs. Obidike. Good evening, Mrs. Obidike. What are you doing in this our poor area?
Wow, Dogo. I'm here to do my usual charity. You know, people like us should help people like you in need.
Yes, madam. Madam.
Yes, Dogo.
Nothing, madam. Everything is fine now.
I have to go now. You know, one can't stay in this place for too long.
Yes, madam.
It's very difficult.
Yes, madam. Bye-bye, madam. Mama J. I'm hungry, oh. Come and serve me food.
See, if money don't cover you, we should make you rent our shop. Rent our shop.
Mama J, I've told you that people are owing me. I will pay you now.
You hear nonsense. People are owing you, so you want to wreck my shop. Amaka! Chiadu! Leave! People, come and escort this credit out of my shop. Please escort him out. If you don't come to my shop again.
Mama J, it's me, oh.
Because of you going, I will add no credit come to tomorrow on my door.
Mama J. Mama J.
I beg. Wow. Dogo, is it because of you?
Thank you, doctor.
It's all right. But you need to get the drugs that I mentioned. Or this will happen again. And if it does, it could lead to a stroke.
But doctor, where would I get the money from?
Dogo, you work. Don't you have any savings?
Hey, Dogo.
Oh, God!
Enter, make I go drop you for house, Jerry.
Eh? Oh, come on. When did you buy a car?
Shebi na you know one sorrow, okay? Come on, go, Jerry. Come on, go, I'll drop you.
You can ask me to borrow you money, but you can't tell this Mrs. OBDK or whatever her name is to pay you your own money. As in, you yourself told me that the money she owes you is enough to settle all your problems right now. Dogo, why not just ask?
Oh, cool. These are rich people. And they hardly forgive you. They may not even give me work. I'm just afraid that
your fear will finally kill you, Dogo. I mean, how long do you want to continue suffering and smiling? Like, you think I bought this vehicle with closed mouths, Abi? In fact, please go down. Go down, I beg. You're never ready. Please leave. I beg. Hey, Dogo. Sorosuke.
Mr. Femi. Fine boy. Hey, fine boy. You know I like you. Eh?
Ijoma.
Are you surprised? Rubbish. How do you think I've been taking care of us in this house? You better start being a man.
Mrs. Obidike, I want to see you now.
What is this nonsense?
Madam, I need you to pay me all the money that you owe me.
Oh, I thought you would never ask. Come with me.